In this video, you'll learn how to link your Over wallet to OKX. By following these steps, you will enable the integration of your Over wallet with the OKX platform, allowing seamless transactions. And first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the OKX website. Type www.okx.com into the address bar and press enter to load the page. Ensure that your internet connection is stable for a smooth browsing experience. Once the OKX homepage appears, locate the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find the option labeled Wallet or Web3 Wallet. Click on this option to proceed to the Wallet section of the site. After clicking on Wallet, the next step is to select Connect Wallet. This option will allow you to link your Over wallet to the OKX platform. Clicking this will open a new interface for wallet connection options. In the wallet connection interface, choose Browser Wallet as your connection method. This selection will enable the browser to interact directly with your Over wallet. Following this, you will see a list of compatible wallets. Now select Over Protocol Wallet from the list that appears. If your Over wallet utilizes Wallet Connect, you may also choose that option instead. This selection will initiate the connection process between OKX and your Over wallet. At this point, a pop-up will appear in your Over Protocol Wallet extension. This is a crucial step where you will need to click on Approve or Connect to authorize the link between the two platforms. This action allows OKX Web3 to interact with your Over wallet effectively. Once you've clicked Approve or Connect, a confirmation message should appear indicating that the connection was successful. You can now use OKX Web3 features seamlessly with your Over wallet.